Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing my May favorites. I can't believe I'm saying that it's already June, but I'm so excited to be in the summer months. I'm so excited for summer, but today I figured I would share everything I've been loving throughout the month of May and lots of great favorites too that will be perfect for transitioning into summertime. Today I have a mix of home, lots of accessories. I have some beauty favorites, some just lifestyle random favorites. I always just love doing these because I feel like it's like catching up with friends and just sharing all the things I'm loving. Let me know if you have any absolute favorites below. I love chatting with all of you, and let's just get started. So first up is a pair of sandals. I shared these in a Zara haul or two ago, but throughout May these have been just such a go-to, and I think these are absolutely darling. They have the crochet detail with the floral applique, and they're just really flattering on the foot. They're comfortable. These are a really great price as well. They do fit true to size and they just go with so much. That's why I'm gravitating towards these a lot, because they just go with a ton. So absolutely love these. Perfect as we go into summer. They're just such a good favorite. Next is a home favorite, this touch lamp. This is a Walmart find, and it's this really pretty scalloped lamp, the touch lamp that is cordless, so you don't need to worry about having this near an outlet to plug in. You could move this around in the house throughout anywhere you want to, and then it just recharges. It comes with a cord and then you just recharge it. It comes with this cord, but it has 3 light settings. It's absolutely beautiful. I always love adding lamps in my home because I have this one in my foyer area on my entry table, but there's just something about a lamp glowing, especially in the evening. It just adds a warm, cozy feel, and there's nothing like it. So I love it. If you're looking for a really great find, this looks like it could be in like a higher end home boutique. Next is something I have been wearing literally on repeat at least for half of the month of May, and it is this headband. It's a Target find. It has the prettiest pearl and knotted detail. It's giving that Lily headband vibe, which those could be, I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. I do have a few of them, but they could be pricey, and I feel like, I don't know, just for this like more seasonal one, I absolutely love this option. It's so pretty, and it just, I feel like today, this is second day hair, so I just didn't really want to like do too much to it. I didn't want to have to like recurl the front pieces, so I just popped this in. Next, I want to share some dress favorites. I got both of these in May, and these are just absolutely stunning and darling. So I wanted to share this one first. This one is from Quince. It's this eyelet dress. So I had actually ordered a nap dress almost very identical to this, and so I originally got the nap dress, and what happened was there was actually a stain on it when I received it. So they had amazing though customer service. I returned it because they didn't have any more to replace it with. It was out of stock in my size. I'm glad that kind of happened anyway, because I saw this one from Quince for way less than half the price, and this is 100% organic cotton. And it's that same, it's not like exactly the same of course, but like it has a similar vibe. The only thing I'd say that's different is the sleeve doesn't quite flare, kind of like how this dress flares a little bit more too, like that. It doesn't quite flare on the shoulder, but other than that, it gives off that same nap dress vibe with the smocking, and it has a really pretty neckline. It's gorgeous. I've been wearing this a lot. And then speaking of Hill House, they do have absolutely beautiful quality dresses, and this print was just calling my name because it's so pretty and summery. I just love the pink and the green combination, and I learned something new about the nap dress sizing. I'm not sure if any of you have heard this, but I've heard to size down 1 to 2 sizes. So I originally bought nap dresses like years ago, and then I sold them on Poshmark because I found as I was wearing them, they would keep riding up on me a little bit, and I felt like the sizing was just a little too big. So then I heard on TikTok someone recommend to size down like 1 to 2 sizes from your regular in a nap dress. So I actually got in like 3 sizes to try. I got in the triple extra small, double extra small, and the extra small, just to like, you know, see how it is all together. And I realized I should have been sizing down 2 sizes this whole time. I heard it's like a thing that a lot of people like to do, not with all their silhouettes, but just with this one in particular. So I did get the extra small in this, and I find it just fits so much better than my regular size there. So a little recommendation, if you've had issues with sizing, definitely check it out. This perfume, hands down like my favorite of May. It's the Byredo Gypsy Water perfume. I originally tested this out in Palm Beach when I was at the Colony. I mean, I stayed at the Colony, and they have like a little boutique beauty shop. I have a Madison Apothecary, which is actually a New York City based beauty shop. And I just tested this out, and then, you know, I went about my day, and as I was smelling it, I was like, I really need to get it. And I realized when I got back, I'm like, I need to order this. And now it just reminds me of my trip, but it smells so good. So soft and feminine, a little sweet, and it's incredible. Their beauty favorite are these lip products from Ilia. So I have it in 2 shades. They're Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon. And I've been really, really enjoying this formula, and I got it, like I said, in 2 colors. The color I do use the most is the Rime color, which is what I'm wearing today. And I feel like if you like a cool toned mauve, this will be perfect. I love cooler tones on me. I don't know, being that I'm more pale, I feel like this, just the cooler tones look better on me. I don't know. But then the other color I do use if I want something not quite as deep of a mauve color, then I will use the shade Pink Door. And this is just a nice like rosy pink, like every day. It's so pretty, but the formula is so smooth. It's like butter, but it does stay put pretty well. This is a random lifestyle favorite. It is this laundry detergent booster. And this is from the brand Branch Basics. And this is already my 3rd bag of this, or pouch of this, whatever you want to call it. This is my backup. But I'm currently on my 2nd bag, and I had to even have a backup ready to go because I love this so much. So what I love, this is non-toxic, clean ingredients. You could use this for so many things. On the back, I use it as my laundry booster, but it's great for, it says pre-treating or general stain removing, or if you want to do a pre-soak or for hand washing. You could also use this in like on your bathroom tile and grout. It brightens up basically anything that looks more dingy or more yellowing, anything on whites. This is really great. And then even on your carpet, you could use this. But what I'll do is add a scoop into, especially with my sheets and my towels. Sometimes my self tanner does stain my sheets, and a lot of times it was so hard to get out and like brighten the sheets. Like the self tanner just stains it. So this brightens and whitens anything of your whites. So also like my white towels, I will use this in. And not only does this brighten, but it also helps with any kind of odors. It just freshens everything. A fashion favorite are these woven clutches. So I have it in the sea glass and then in the white. And they're both so stunning. I have a hard time picking a favorite. I guess it just really depends on my outfit. Like I feel like with this Hill House dress I shared, like the green just pops so pretty. You could do the white with like if you wear lots of pinks or just like neutrals. It looks so good too. And then it has the removable strap. It's sold separately. This is the Italian resin gemstones, and these are sourced from Italy. And they're so pretty. So they're detachable. They're, like I said, sold separately, and I use this strap between the 2 of them. I did not keep the jade strap that we have on pre-order right now for myself. I just kept one. But I do think the jade looks beautiful. I may just have to pre-order one for myself because they're so pretty. Guys, I don't know if I mentioned, these are from my online boutique, but yeah, I love them so, so much. These are literally indestructible. They're hand woven. They're amazing. Like they're indestructible. You cannot crush them. And you could also use these as like a little pouch also in like a larger tote bag, and they're amazing. They're so cute. And these have been a top seller. We just restocked for a 3rd time in the sea glass, and then we just launched the white. These shoes are so pretty. I love the ballet flats, but if you're looking for a summery ballet flat, especially for work or for just a different vibe of an outfit, I love this woven ballet flat. It has a double buckle detail. They're very comfortable, and I just love the overall aesthetic that they give off. Very coastal and very summery, and they just are perfect for summertime as a ballet flat. This is another home favorite. This is an appliance that I got, I want to say in April. Yeah, around April. It's an air fryer. I got this air fryer / toaster oven because my toaster oven stopped working, and so I need to get a new toaster oven. And I'm like, why don't I just put, instead of having 2 appliances, have just 2 in 1? And this is perfect. It's also stainless steel, so it's like non-toxic. I literally use it every single day. I toast. I use the toaster in the morning, and then I just switch it right over to air fry. And I actually feel like I make French fries in my air fryer a lot. That was like always one of the things I made in my previous air fryer. I mean, I still loved it, but like I find that actually this one made it a lot crispier. There's like a metal basket it comes with, so I feel like it just gets I feel like it just has that like circulation, if that makes sense, like all around the fries or whatever you're air frying. And so with the other one, I don't know, it just wasn't as vented. So this one is amazing. You could do so much. You could bake, toast, air fry. There's so many settings. And I got the white one, but it does come in like all stainless steel, but I have like the white exterior just to kind of blend with my kitchen a little bit better, and it just looks really nice and luxe on the counter. But I feel like for a lot of other pricing that I've seen for other air fryers like those, I feel like that's a really good price point. And as you know, since last July, I've been trying to read a book at least once a month. So in May, I finished my Summer in the City book. I really did enjoy this book. It was a nice change. I've been doing like lots of like coastal. I do love New York City. It's one of my favorite cities. So just the fact that this takes place in New York City, it's a summer romance, and I really enjoyed this book. So I didn't want to give too much away, but check it out if you're into romance novels, and this is just super fun. Also, look how pretty the detailing is on the sides. It's so pretty. And they even have like a little map of New York City inside. It's just so pretty and well done. And I heard this is going to be made into a movie, and they're going to be starting like casting for it. I heard about this on TikTok. That's how I originally heard about this book. And it's really, really good. Also going along, I got this book light that it's just so cute. I couldn't pass this up. And it's really nice quality. This has like this little scalloped detailing on it, and it's so beautiful. It has an hour and a half total charge that it will hold, and then you could charge it up. But I really love this. I think it's really practical, really fun. So if you want to be able to see what you're reading and you're in a dark room for the night, this is perfect. I also could use this if I clamp this on the end of a table to like do my nails. When I do that, I think that will be really helpful. So when I do French manicures, I think this is going to be really helpful. Next is an everyday basic that I absolutely love, but it's like still girly because of the shade of pink and then the pointel. Pointel is like major, especially right now. It's like, this reminds me so much of like the Lisette brand, but this is so much less expensive, and this is 100% cotton, and it's just so dainty and so pretty. It's a great basic for any girly girl wardrobe, and it's just such a nice essential to have. So I washed mine quite a few times. It holds up so well. I love it. Like I said, 100% cotton. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. It has this even little dainty trim around the neckline, just very, very subtle. Next is a home favorite. I got this for my guest bedroom, so maybe I'll have to do like a girly vlog showing more on that, because I'm going to be doing like wallpaper in there. I just got a new dresser for there. Well, I didn't even get new. I mean, like I didn't even have a dresser in there. So I got a dresser for there, and then a nightstand that matches, and it's like lattice. So I'm going for kind of like a Nantucket theme. And so this I thought was so pretty and just very like garden vibe. And this is so pretty. I found this quilt. I think it was like Wayfair or something, but it's so pretty. And the detailing, it's like a rose trellis look to it, and it's very, very pretty. And I'm really impressed, and especially for it being so inexpensive compared to some like Serena and Lily, you look on there, it's like hundreds and hundreds of dollars for a quilt. But this one looks so luxe. I guess we might as well do like my favorite jewelry I've been wearing. So I'll do a little jewelry tour. This is pretty much what I'll wear 9 times out of 10. So first up is my necklace stack. It's the Coastal Toggle necklace. This I love. It's freshwater pearls, gold filled toggle, and it is perfect for summer. I love it so much. I literally wear it anytime I want to put necklaces on. It's like 9 times out of 10, like I said, I wear this toggle necklace. Second, I will stack with it more often than not my Cocoa Pearl necklace. We did just restock these. So if you're not familiar, these are authentic Chanel buttons that are repurposed into jewelry. So it's made into a pendant and then on a 14K gold filled chain, and it's beautiful quality. I absolutely love wearing this on repeat a ton, even though on its own or on a stack like this, or with our Elegance necklace from Karen Rose. Like I just love it. And then I know this is all most of it's gonna be Karen Rose, but it's just like, I just love our jewelry so much. So what can I say? I love it. So we also have the Cocoa Pearl bracelet that kind of like matches the necklace, and we did just restock these in most sizes. I want to say we were able to get them all, and I love it. It has the little CC pearl. And then, okay, and then also other bracelets. For summer, I'm always going for especially a beaded stack like this. So I got the bow bracelet, and then our Emma, which was just restocked in both sizes. So that's really exciting because we had a lot of requests to restock. And then actually my ring, it's not Cameros. It's, oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank on the name, but I will link it. It's under $100 and it's so pretty. And it's like, it has a mother of pearl flower on here. Next beauty favorite is a mascara. I've been really enjoying this Dior mascara. I got this around the holiday time, but I just had set it to the side because I got it in a gift set and I've been really enjoying it. Actually, I've been dealing with this eczema on my right eye. I have like eyelid eczema. That's what I'm assuming it is, because it's just like this red patch on my eye, and I had to throw away like all my eye makeup because I thought maybe it was from a product, but I guess it's not because I keep still waking up with it. I changed out my pillow because I did have a down pillow, and so I thought maybe I was allergic to the feathers in it or something, so I changed that out. It was improving for a while, and now it's just back to being this patch on my eye. I've been trying not to wear makeup as often, but I feel like it doesn't really matter because I still wake up with it even on days when I don't wear makeup. I don't know what it is. If you have any tips or advice like on what, if you've had that issue, I looked it up on TikTok and supposedly a lot of people deal with it. So it's this like red patch on my eye. But anyways, I threw away most of my mascara, so I took out this fresh one, and just in case, you know, something was contaminated at some point. But yeah, it wasn't that. But anyways, I got to try this out and I really, really love it. It has a nice curled little applicator and it's so nice. It's like bristles and it's really gets into the root of your lashes and it makes them look full, curled, and lengthened all in one. So I really, really love this. So that is it for my May favorites. I hope you all have an amazing month of June. I have so much fun content. I have a girly vlog coming up, so definitely stay tuned and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on it. And I have everything linked also on my LTK as well, where I post all my sale alerts, exclusive content there. So you could check it out. I will include it below. But I hope you all have a lovely month and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.